In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to place one image on top of another in Google Docs, you've probably noticed that it doesn't always work the way you expect right away. By default, images often behave like part of the text, which makes overlapping them difficult. The key to making layering possible is changing the image wrapping settings so you can move the images more freely around the page. To begin, make sure you're using image wrapping options that allow more control. This is what gives you the flexibility to position images wherever you want instead of keeping them locked into the text layout. Next, insert the images you want to use into your Google Docs document. Once both images are in the file, you'll be ready to arrange them. It helps to have a clear idea of which image you want in the background and which one should appear on top before you start moving things around. Now click on one of the images. When you select it, Google Docs will show image-related controls and layout options nearby. This is where you'll adjust the way the image interacts with the document. From the image options, choose either Wrap Text or In Front of Text. Both of these settings give you more freedom than the default inline behavior. If one option doesn't give you the exact movement you want, the other is often worth trying. The important part is that the image is no longer stuck in line with your text. Once that's done, drag the images so they overlap. You can click and reposition each image until they sit where you want them. Take your time here, because even small adjustments can make a big difference in how clean the final layout looks. If the option is available, use the order controls to decide which image appears in front and which one stays behind. This is especially useful when the wrong image is covering the one you actually want visible. Adjusting the order lets you fine-tune the layered effect without having to start over. A few practical tips can make this much easier. Transparent PNG images usually create cleaner overlays, especially if you want part of one image to show without a solid background blocking the other. When resizing, hold Shift to maintain the image's proportions so it doesn't look stretched. You can also zoom in on the document for more precise positioning, which is helpful when you're aligning edges or details. And if you need even more exact control over layering, the drawing tool in Google Docs can be a better option for arranging images exactly the way you want. And that's how to layer images in Google Docs.